Hello people. I just wanted to do a quick video to tell you what you need to know for your Collaborate session next week. Next week is week 3 and it's our first live meeting. And so how you're going to find your live meetings is very simple. All you're going to do is you're going to come over here to your course menu. Here, and let me get in student view so that you actually will look exactly like yours. You're going to come over here to your course menu. You're going to click on Blackboard Collaborate. And when Blackboard opens up, you're going to see each group time here. So if you're in group 1, then your time is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., even though it's not going to take that long. This first group meeting is probably going to take 20 to 30 minutes, but I gave us an hour. It tells you the day, 9/10, which is next Tuesday, okay? And so group 1 always meets on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Group 2 will be Tuesday the 10th at 1 p.m. and group 3 will be Tuesday the 10th at 6 p.m. Notice that these are not bolded, like you can't really click on it. It just tells you information. This will open up 15 minutes before 10 a.m. So at 9:45, group 1 will turn bold and you'll be able to click on it and get into the session. I highly recommend that you click on it before 10 a.m. and make sure that your webcam works. Make sure that your microphone works. Make sure that Collaborate is working for you. I may not always be in 15 minutes early. So if I'm not in the room yet, don't worry, okay? I'm probably going to come in about 5 minutes before 10 or before the time that you're supposed to meet. If you get on this page and it's before 15 minutes and it stays, you know, in this light gray and it doesn't become bold, what you need to do is refresh the page. Once you refresh your page, if it's hit that 15-minute mark, it will then appear as bold, okay? This is how you get into your Collaborate session. This is really important, or else you can find Collaborate in other ways in Blackboard, but you're not going to be in the right place, okay? So if you have any questions on this, let me know. We have been very confused on how the live meetings work. What you need to pay attention to is your course calendar, not the calendar that pops up on Blackboard, because that's every single class that I have taught from now since I started teaching online, which was 4 semesters ago, okay? So you need to go into course schedule, and this is what you need to pay attention to right here. You don't need to pay attention to any calendar you see on Blackboard, due dates that come up on Blackboard. These are the due dates that matter. So you can see that week 3 is September 9th through the 13th, and we will be having our online meeting on Tuesday or Thursday at your scheduled time, whichever your scheduled time is, and we will be discussing your goals and your PRCA scores. You should have already done that assignment. Several of you tried to turn it in. I don't want anything handed in. I want it to be typed up in a Word document or on a PDF so that you can share it with us during the live meeting, and I will show you how to do that. This first live meeting is getting you used to using Collaborate. Okay, I hope that answers a bunch of the questions that we have been having. If you need anything else, please let me know, and I will see you all next week on Tuesday or Thursday.